Good morning. It is Sunday, the, my glasses on, 29th of March 2020. I'm gonna vlog today, hopefully. It's already past 12 because I slept in. It was spring forward yesterday, no idea why. It doesn't change anything for me apart from the fact that I did still sleep in a bit later than usual. And then I got ready for my day. I put on real clothes today, wearing trousers and a fancy shirt, mostly because I've been living in loungewear and I'm getting kind of like my days are melding into one because I'm just always wearing comfy clothes day and night, so I decided to put on real clothes today. For some reason I don't do this during the week, but yeah, I'm gonna start my day drinking my coffee. Breakfast is in the oven, we're having hash browns, and hopefully I will make some tomatoes to go with that. And I'm gonna edit yesterday's video, which was a my boyfriend does my makeup. So yeah, if you haven't seen that, it's probably already on my channel and you can watch that if you haven't already. It did not go well, but I don't think those videos ever do. I'd love to see one with someone who's dating like a makeup artist. That would be good. So it's almost 5 o'clock. And I've just been sitting here watching Line of Duty, editing this video, and now I'm gonna upload the video. So that's been Sunday for me so far. And I have an hour until it is FaceTime yoga class. Are you gonna do it with me, Angus? Mm-hmm. Are you really?
No.
We'll see. Maybe you will. I think our view looks really nice right now. Look at that. It's so sunny. Wish I could go out there and enjoy it. Don't mind my mess. I'm about to go get changed for yoga at 6. Basically all my family do yoga on FaceTime together. But I wanted to show you my outfit because I put on real clothes today. It looks better without the cardigan. I just put that on because I'm cold. But I've got this top from Zara and these trousers from H&M. But basically I just wanted to prove that I put on real clothes and I didn't live in loungewear today. Normally I would wear these with some black boots, maybe a belt. Yeah, that's my outfit. Gonna go get changed now. Okay, I'm all changed. And I'll have you know I'm keeping my closet very clean still. And I'm wearing leggings and a jumper now. Can you confirm, Angus, that this is what I have been wearing on a weekly basis?
Yes.
See? So I'm gonna try to stop that. They're both from Lululemon, in case you're wondering, which is not as popular here as it is in Canada. What are you leaving for? I don't know what he's doing. But anyways,
Oh, too shy.
You're too shy now. I don't remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, Sweaty Betty is the thing here. I have a Sweaty Betty, excuse me, Angus. I have a Sweaty Betty yoga mat because my mom bought it for me and it was all she could find here because while these leggings would have been like 90 Canadian dollars, they're like 90 pounds here, which as some of you may know is like double the exchange rate. So she bought me a Sweaty Betty. But yeah, still very nice. So I'm gonna put my laptop there so I can FaceTime to yoga with Adrian all in one. I just thought before I do my yoga, I have a few minutes and I thought I would stop and say what the plan is with videos moving forward. So my plan, I was thinking about this earlier, is that I'll do 2 videos a week, one on Sunday, one on Wednesday. And one of them will be like what would have used to been like a main channel video, and one of them will have been a vlog. So I'm gonna take these off because they're dirty. So this week, for example, I did my my boyfriend does my makeup video, which is like a main channel video, and then this is my vlog. And I've done that just because, or picked that, I hope to do that just because that's what I liked best when I used to watch YouTube videos back in the day when it was all the rage. So hopefully that sounds good with you. If you have any ideas for main channel or like, I hate calling it main channel videos because I only have one channel, but like main videos, let me know. The only other thing I can really think is like my flat tour, which is what I'll do next week. And what's the other thing I thought of? it's kind of in line with like what I did last week. I just zoomed in. Sorry. But like my shoe collection or my coat collection or something like that, because I loved Naomi Smart's video of her shoe collection so much. But I definitely don't have as many shoes as she. If you have any ideas, comment them below. And if you are enjoying these, please share them with other people who are bored who might like them, because it makes me feel a lot less lame when there's actual views of my videos and I'm not just putting out like 2 videos a week that get like 40 views and you're like, is this worth it? It is, because I'm bored, but it's just nicer when they get lots of videos reviews and you're like, oh, people are actually watching it and they actually care. So yeah, that's the plan moving forward for the foreseeable, until isolation ends or until I get a new job, whichever comes first. So actually probably no, basically until I get a new job. Even if isolation ends and I'm still unemployed.
Yeah, I left Ranger at home when I did my 5K, and holy, he had such a big welcoming.
Oh.
He got home great. I was like, this is why I need to leave you home more often.
In control of it. Oh god, 100%. Oh no. So, now I'm making pasta, regular old whole wheat spaghetti. We already ate dinner technically, but we really like pasta, so. And it was an early dinner, like 4 p.m. Still on FaceTime with my mom. We always FaceTime after yoga. She's not even there, don't know where she is, but you know, just like the company. Just did all the dishes, and we're gonna go watch Tiger King once. This is off. What is this?
It's the Scottish Cup final from 1991.
The Scottish Cup final from 1991.
Well, United.
Definitely worth watching again. But yeah, we're gonna watch Tiger King because everybody's watching Tiger King and we started it, so now we're gonna finish it. Yeah. Good morning. It is Monday, the 30th of March. I have put on a whole lot to make up for the fact that I have nothing else to do but put on a lot. So I haven't washed my hair in about 3 days, but I'm wearing earrings. I've got my engagement ring on, which I don't usually wear around the house. I've got another ring on, and I put on a fancy blouse and jeans. So yeah, another day of wearing real clothes. I am not working today. I took the day off before any of this happened, and I am finished at my workplace on the 9th of April, so there's no point in me like postponing it until I can go back into the office and take time off. So I'm just gonna chill around the house. I gotta clean my makeup brushes because Angus used them and my boyfriend does my makeup and destroyed a lot of them, or just put a lot of color on them. So I'm gonna clean those. I'm going to read and find other things to do, but first I'm gonna clean these. And this is my kitchen. I'm gonna put on my apron. The one drawback of wearing nice clothes is that I really run the risk of staining it. That's why I usually don't wear nice clothes. But I was gonna say, I don't have any actual makeup brush cleaner. This is going to probably disgust some of you, but I'm going to clean them with warm water and dish soap. I think it's dish soap and olive oil, which I'm not gonna put the oil in unless I need to. I have a hair oil I could use that's all natural because we only have garlic olive oil. Wait till it's warm. I don't know why I'm doing this like a tutorial. I'm making this up. I don't know what I'm doing. So we have groceries coming today at 5, between 5 and 6. And, oh god, that's so dirty. We have no food in the house right now. Like we do, we can get by until 5 or 6. Probably get by for a few more days to be honest, but it's just one of those things where I want snacks, we ain't got no snacks. Normally I would say don't get it wet past the, like, where can you see better? On one of these. Don't get it wet past here because the glue will come out and then you'll have to re-glue it. That little top part will come off, but I put too much water in and I just don't care. So that looks a lot cleaner. You have to be really gentle too. Do you ever get like, it's clean enough? This is a good cut because it has edges. These jeans are making my legs itchy. It's definitely not supposed to happen. Stopped wearing foundation because I hated cleaning my foundation brush. Okay, I'm gonna make coffee. I asked yesterday on my Instagram for people for tips with coffee, so I have an Italian espresso machine. And so this is where you put the coffee. So let me show you. There's this section. You put water in here, ground coffee in here, and then you put this on top. Put it on the stove on high heat until it starts coming through. So it comes through in there and you'll hear it, and then you just wait like 10 seconds or so. Turn it off, leave it there, and then it's full of coffee. But mine never tastes as like syrupy and delightful as the stuff you get in stores. So they told me to pack this so tight so there's no oxygen in, and then that will help. But really, to be honest, what I'm gonna do is use a Tassimo pod and this. Gross. Hi. I changed into a jumper because it was cold. It's about 3 in the afternoon now. All I did this morning was schedule some posts to go live over the next 2 months on my Twitter and my Facebook. And I ate lunch and I watched a lot of Death in Paradise and I stared at my phone a lot. And now I would have snacked so much today if we had snacks, but we have literally nothing in the cupboard. This is our cupboard. We've got salted tortillas, nothing to go on them, rice cakes, crackers, and granola bars, and peanut butter. Like, technically I could put something together, but nothing I want. So I'm making beans. I'm making the rest of the beans that I ate this morning. We do have food coming at 5. But I got an email saying they didn't have, what's bubbling? They didn't have any butter. They didn't have any cheese. But to be fair, I didn't allow supplements. I should have allowed supplements. But sometimes you get like, you'll have asked for butter and they'll put in like vegan butter, which is not the same. Or if you're vegan, you get vegan butter, they'll put in real butter. Not the same. And people can't have one or the other for like allergies. I mean, I could have one or the other. But that's what I mean. Sometimes they'll even, like I had a cafetiere in there, like they can't, what would they replace that with? If they didn't have any cafeterias, which is another thing they didn't have. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna have to go to the store again soon because yeah, we just don't have what we need. And there's no more delivery dates available. So, we live near a very big Sainsbury's, so that's good. So we can go to the store. But it's just a question of safety and necessity. So we tried to order online. We're gonna have another cookie. I don't know what to do today. I haven't done anything. I'm gonna send some emails about a blog post I want to write. And that's it. Look it. Well, we've emptied half of them already. But we got groceries!
Yeah!
Hello, happy Tuesday it is. Oh look, there's people outside. Keeping 2 meters apart. Sorry. I'm actually off from my actual work. I'm doing Arctic Sabrina work today, but very exciting. Angus is just at the post office picking up a parcel from the Tartan Blanket Company. So as you know, or you should know, I did some work, some photography and some blog content with the Tartan Blanket Company, and they kindly gifted me a gift certificate. And I went on and ordered a bunch of stuff, some for Angus, some for me. Mostly we'll probably share all of it, and it's coming now. I've been waiting for ages for this. We missed the delivery man, hence why Angus has to go to the store to pick it up. So, any second now. He's here. Do you think it's safe if I touch these? Angus bought me some treats also. Oh, some bread. Oh, Angus. Oh, Angus, this one's yours. The standard is bigger than I remember it being. Thoughts?
Glamorous. Glorious.
Oh, they're
Gorgeous.
so nice. So that's the camel one. Standard size. Lamb's wool. This is the jewel teal. This one's yours.
Oh, it's gorgeous. What a lovely colour.
I think it'll look nice with your
It looks
eyes.
so glamorous, it will.
It's such a lovely
Gonna
color.
keep me so cozy.
Look at these two together.
Mmm. Yum.
Should I layer scarves? This is the clay. I wasn't sure
Keith
about
Richards
the clay.
used to wear 2 scarves in the 70s.
Well, see, he knew. Wasn't sure. This is the oversized size, but I think I like it better than dusky pink.
Oh, it's so dusky. That's a
It's
good
not
word for
dusky
it.
pink. It's clay.
Oh, it's clay. It's so clayy. Right, it
I
goes with your
quite
skin.
like that. Do you think? I'm not wearing any makeup, so
It's marvellous.
I just like that. It's a bit brighter. I need some more bright colors, and this will be. It's a blanket scarf, which we will use as a blanket. This is huge. Pro tip: blanket scarves are virtually blankets.
Yeah, but you'd be so
like a knee
warm.
blanket.
It'd be so cozy.
Yeah, you do like a good blanket scarf. You had the orange one. Was a blanket scarf when we were in Helsinki.
Mmm. Cozy.
I'm gonna cuddle with this right now.
Okay.
Well, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. People watching at home, make sure you share it. It makes me very happy when people share my videos with other people who are bored and looking for entertainment and maybe love woolly scarves. And yeah, see you again next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.